My name is Hassan and this is Techie Steps. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install Minecraft PE on a Google Chromebook. I'm using a Pixelbook. It's the flagship device that you want to use. If you don't have a Pixelbook, it's not a big deal, but definitely make sure that you search through the Play Store just to see if you can install Minecraft. If it's not available, chances are is that your specs on your device is not meeting the minimum requirement for this application to run. All right, so as we wait here, you can see that it's downloading. File size is 88.47 MB. Some of the mention is again, this is the Pocket Edition. So it's not going to be several gigs of space being taken up or utilized for this to install. Pocket Edition PE stands for Pocket Edition, and it's basically the mobile version of Minecraft. It's used on iPads, iPhones, Android phones, and also you can use it on like Galaxy tabs, tablets, Android tablets. All right, so I actually just skipped the option there. I was actually saying that it was giving me the option to sign in. Sign in actually shows you the option to sign into your Xbox account. You could sign into your Xbox account. I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to back out. If you sign into your Xbox account, you have access to all your realms, and also you can join or participate in public servers. That is a pretty cool thing you can do. I'm going to create a random world here. It's nothing special. I'm just going to be all generic. Even though I guess no world is similar in Minecraft, it's all randomly generated, and it's kind of some magic that works behind the scenes, and no world is alike. They might be similar, but not the same. Let's see. All right, so easy as that, as quick as that. You can see that the world is generated. Still kind of rendering here, but you can see that it was generated. I see some animals there by the water. I should mention that there's a little issue with control if you're using a mouse. There's something called mouselook. Mouselook is if you're familiar with PC gaming, you use the mouse to control painting. Was it left and right, up and down? You can kind of use that, motion to control the view. If you are using this on a Chromebook, you actually have to click and hold the left button, mouse button, and that's what pretty much is going to give you the option. So it becomes a little difficult because if you needed to let's say you were playing a different game and you wanted to shoot, that left click button actually is a trigger button, and that could cause some confusion, some issue in the control. It's not native, or if you're familiar with PC gaming, it's not going to feel natural. But however, it still does work. You can still control the character, but you just got to hold that left click down. So that's a lot of reads as far as the mouse control. So yeah, it can be done. I have it installed. You can see me walking around. You hear all that good sound. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And remember, when you subscribe, click on the notification bell to never miss a beat with Techie Steps.